I have your September 2025 rental and sales market update for Tampa Bay and nationwide. Hi, I'm Michael Belon with House2home Properties with a real estate market update for September 2025. We manage single-family homes in Tampa Bay, and we'll go over the rental market, eviction filings, home sales, and interest rates. We'll start with the rental numbers from the MLS. This is for houses in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In September 2025, the median rent was $2,550. The days on market was 34 days. Compared to the previous month, rents have decreased 2% and it's taking 3 days longer to rent a house in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, rents have increased 2% and it's taking 4 days longer to rent a house from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Zillow's national rental numbers for houses. This is for the entire United States. In September 2025, the national median rent was $2,300. Compared to the previous month, rents have gone down 2% nationwide. Compared to the same time last year, rents have stayed the same nationwide. And in the graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide. And you'll see that the median rent in Tampa Bay and nationwide is dropping. The next graph shows the history of the days on market for Tampa Bay, which looks like an upward trend. Okay, here are the number of eviction filings in Tampa Bay. This is for Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In September 2025, the number of evictions filed in Tampa Bay was 1,781. That's a lot of evictions. Hillsborough County had 1,242 eviction filings, and Pinellas had 539. There was a 13.8% increase in eviction filings from a month ago, and also from a year ago in Tampa Bay. I included a graph here showing the eviction activity throughout the months. The lease renewal rate for House2home Properties, our lease renewal percentage as of last month is 84%, so we like to see our residents renew their leases. Okay, let's move on from the rental market to the sales market. This is the sales numbers from the MLS. This is for houses sold in Tampa Bay, which will be Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. In September of 2025, the median sales price was $425,000. The days on market was 40 days, and the month supply of inventory was 4 months. Compared to the previous month, house prices have decreased 1%, and it's taking one less day to sell a home in Tampa Bay. Compared to the same time last year, house prices have decreased 2.3%, and it's taking 10 days longer to sell a home from a year ago in Tampa Bay. Okay, here are Realtor.com's national home sales. This is for the entire United States. In September of 2025, the median home sales list price was $425,000. That is no change from the previous year. The days on market was 62 days, and that's 7 days longer to sell a home from the previous year. And the number of new sales listings increased 17% from the previous year nationwide. The graph here, the blue line is Tampa Bay, the orange line is nationwide, and you'll see the median sales price in Tampa Bay is identical to the median sales price nationwide. Okay, now the national 30-year fixed rate mortgage. This is per the St. Louis Fed. In September 2025, the mortgage interest rate was 6.26%. From the month prior, the interest rate decreased 0.3%. The previous month's rate was 6.56%. And from last year, the interest rate increased 0.17%. The previous year's rate was 6.09%. And in the graph here, it looks like mortgage rates are on a slight downward trend. That's your market update for September 2025. I hope you found this helpful. If you need property management, please reach out to me. My name is Michael Belon, and I'm always here to help with your property. Thank you for watching.